Even if you're a complete beginner with zero design experience, you can start making money online using Canva. So, if you're ready to turn your creativity into cash, stick around because I'm breaking it all down step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, what is Canva? Canva is a super easy to use design tool that lets you create stunning graphics, presentations, logos, social media posts, and so much more. And the best part, you don't need to be a pro graphic designer to make beautiful designs. If you've ever wanted to design something cool but felt overwhelmed, Canva is your new best friend. It has tons of templates and drag and drop features that make the whole process fun and simple. Alright, step number 1. Choose your niche. This is basically deciding what kind of designs you want to create and sell. Here are a few popular options to think about. Social media templates, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, Pinterest pins. Businesses and influencers love buying pre-made designs to keep their content looking fresh. Ebook covers and interiors. People are always searching for eye-catching ebook covers, especially authors who are self-publishing. Printables. Think about planners, calendars, checklists, or worksheets. These are super popular on sites like Etsy. Logo design. Every business needs a logo. Canva even has logo templates you can customize and sell. Business cards and flyers. Offline marketing materials like flyers, brochures, and business cards are always in demand. Once you pick a niche that excites you, it's time to create your first set of designs. Now for the fun part, let's get creative. Head over to Canva, create a free account if you don't already have one, and start playing around with their templates. Let's say you want to create a set of Instagram story templates. Just type Instagram story into the search bar on Canva, and boom, you've got tons of stunning templates ready to customize. You can change the colors, fonts, and images to make them your own. Remember to make your design stand out by adding a unique touch. Play around with fonts, colors, and graphics until you've got something awesome. Pro tip: keep your designs cohesive if you're selling in sets, like a bundle of Instagram templates or business card collections. Alright, you've got your amazing designs ready. Now how do you actually sell them? Here are a few great platforms to start with. Etsy. Etsy is a great place to sell digital downloads like templates, printables, and social media designs. People are already searching for beautiful designs there, so you're tapping into a ready-made audience. Creative Market. If you want to reach more designers and professionals, Creative Market is another popular marketplace where people buy digital assets. Fiverr, you can offer custom design services like logos or social media posts, and create packages to sell your Canva creations, your own website. If you want full control over your sales, consider starting your own site on platforms like Shopify or Gumroad to sell digital downloads directly to your audience. Now comes the hustle part, promotion. The more people who see your designs, the more likely you are to make sales. So here's how to get the word out. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to show off your designs. People love behind-the-scenes content, so show your creative process. Pinterest. This is huge for driving traffic to your products, especially if you're selling printables or templates. Pin images of your designs and link them to your Etsy shop or website. Join Facebook groups. There are tons of Facebook groups for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and creators who are looking for design help. Join, engage, and let people know what you offer. Collaborate with influencers. If you can get your designs in front of an influencer's audience, you'll gain a ton of visibility. Offer to create custom designs for them in exchange for a shout-out. Once you start making some sales, don't stop there. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep growing. Here's how you can level up your Canva business. Create more products, diversify your portfolio, add more templates, more niches, and maybe even custom services. Bundle your products. Bundle similar designs together to offer customers more value, like a set of Instagram posts, stories, and highlights in one package. Collect reviews. Customer reviews help boost your credibility. Make sure to ask for feedback and showcase it in your listings. Learn SEO. If you're on Etsy or Creative Market, learn how to use keywords in your product descriptions so people can find you more easily. So there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide on how to make money with Canva. Whether you're a creative pro or someone just starting out, Canva is a fantastic tool to turn your passion into profit. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and have fun with the process. And if you're feeling inspired to start your own Canva business, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and drop a comment below with any questions or ideas you have. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Now go create something amazing and start earning. See you in the next video.